morning everyone, I'm Dr. Leena May from ZInternational School. Today I'm going to share some important information about teeth. Do you know when babies start to develop teeth? Well, most babies will develop teeth between 6 to 12 months. Do you know about baby teeth? Well, babies are born with the following teeth: 4 tetracycles, 4 later incisors, 4 canine teeth, 4 first molar, 4 second molar.
Hi, I'm Senior Lamna, author from Junior KGZ. Do you know children start losing their milky teeth by age of 6 years? Do you know baby teeth help children chew their food properly? We should take care of our teeth through proper brushing. We should brush our teeth twice a day, once in the morning and just before bed. Now I will show you how to brush your teeth properly.